When an airline announces changes to their loyalty program, usually most of the time we should probably freak out. Just this morning on October 21st, 2022, Southwest announced 4 different changes to their program, and in this video, let's go over each one individually. Before we get started, my name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points so they can travel more, travel better, and travel for less. If you like content like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and let's get started. So let's start off with an easy one. The first one is that Southwest is announcing that there are going to be more ways to redeem your rapid reward points. But there's not a lot of information about this. We just have to wait until 2023 to see what these options will be. And yeah, there's just not a lot of information about that. So that's an easy one. Let's move on to change number 2. Change number 2 is a change to their no-show policy. When you book a wanna get away or wanna get away plus fare and you don't cancel your ticket and you no-show for your flight, your points won't get automatically refunded to your account. You'll forfeit the points that you used to book that flight. You still have to cancel 10 minutes before your flight departure though. Take for example, if I have a flight at noon, that means I have to cancel my flight before 11:50, or else if I no-show for the flight, all my points that I use for that flight will be forfeited. And this starts in summer of 2023. And so the overall rule is that if you're not gonna show up for your flight, make sure you just cancel it 10 minutes before the actual departure time so that you can get your points refunded back to your account. Change number 3 is in regards to Companion Pass. Change number 4 is also in regards to Companion Pass as well, so stick around for that. Change number 3 is that companions that are flying with Companion Pass holders can board at the same time. So when the Companion Pass holder checks into the flight, it automatically also checks in the companion as well. So for example, if I'm the Companion Pass holder and my wife is the companion, and I check into the flight and I get B22 boarding position, that means it'll automatically check her in as well and she'll get B23 boarding position. This is actually not a big change because if you had Companion Pass in the last year or so, you'll notice that this has always been the case. I guess they're just kind of finally making it an official policy. But there are a few exceptions though. If the Companion Pass holder purchases a business select fare, which guarantees boarding position A1 through 15, the companion won't get one of those A1 through 15 boarding positions. Instead, the companion will get the next best boarding position after A15. So it might be A16, A17, A19, or A20 or whatever. The other exception is that if you add a companion after checking into your flight. And so for example, if I already checked into my flight and my boarding position is B22, and later that evening I add my wife as a companion, then she won't get that B23 position right next to me. Those are the 2 exceptions in how boarding with Companion Pass holder works. The 4th change also has to do with Companion Pass, and this is probably the biggest change, but it might not matter too much if you're earning Companion Pass with a co-branded Southwest card. And so starting January 2023, the requirements to earn Companion Pass is moving from 125,000 qualifying points to 135,000 qualifying points. But if you have a Southwest co-branded card, you'll get a 10,000 point Companion Pass qualifying points boost every calendar year. And so that 10,000 point boost will make up for that 10,000 point increase. That kind of negates the increase because most people in the miles and points hobby are earning Companion Pass through Southwest co-branded credit cards. If you're interested in a video on how to earn Southwest Companion Pass with just Southwest credit cards, comment below and let me know, and my next video might be on that strategy on how you can earn Southwest Companion Pass with just Southwest credit cards. So those are the 4 changes to the Southwest Rapid Rewards loyalty program. They aren't huge changes, but they are changes that you should be aware of. Comment below and let me know what you think about these changes. Are they good? Are they bad? Are they kind of neutral? I want to hear your thoughts about these changes. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below if you like miles and points content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.